Little storyteller.
Lily and Tom loved playing in their backyard. One sunny afternoon, Lily accidentally knocked over Tom's tall tower of blocks. "Oh no!" she cried, feeling her cheeks get warm. Tom looked sad. Lily took a deep breath. "Tom, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to. I was running too fast." Tom looked at the scattered blocks. Lily knelt down and started picking them up. "Can I help you build it again?" she asked. Tom nodded, and they worked together, carefully stacking each colorful block. Suddenly, a shimmer appeared near their big oak tree. A wonderful treehouse with a round window and a rope ladder slowly materialized. It had rainbow-colored steps leading to a small wooden door. Curious, Lily and Tom climbed the rope ladder. Inside, cozy cushions were scattered on the floor, and a bookshelf filled with colorful picture books stood against the wall. A friendly, fluffy bunny with long ears hopped over to them. "Welcome," squeaked the bunny. This treehouse appears when someone tells a story about a mistake and what they learned. Lily smiled. "I told Tom I was sorry for knocking over his blocks, and then I helped him build it again. I learned that it's important to say sorry and to help fix mistakes." The fluffy bunny clapped its paws. "That's wonderful. Mistakes help us learn and grow." The bunny then pointed to a big, open book on a small table. Colorful pictures showed children helping each other. "Helping friends feels good, just like sunshine," chirped the bunny. Lily and Tom nodded, happy they had learned about making amends and the joy of helping.
Please subscribe. Thank you.